Budgies from all over converge on this single watering hole after the smaller holes have dried up. Now they have a more immediate problem, because their arrival hasn't gone unnoticed. Boom time for budgies is peak time for predators. Each bird vies for the safety of the center. It's a bright day for the black falcon, but he's in for a surprise. Budgies have a drinking problem. Unlike most birds, they don't need to lift their heads to swallow. Great for power drinking, but not so good for spotting aerial predators. The falcon swoops in, swift as an arrow. But the dizzying swarm throws him off his game. He strikes when the budgies land, stirring them up again. Still, they won't ditch their watering hole. Suddenly, a new arrival, and the danger doubles.